So next experiment is triggering of SCR using RC network. This is R and C. So this is a AC source. So you need one 100 ohm, one more 100 ohm, and this is SCR. So this is a gate. So this gate is actually connected to this RC network here, and actually the pulse from this RC network will going to give to gate voltage. So whenever it uh, reaches that threshold voltage, so the SCR is going to turn on, and we can vary the triggering by varying this R. C is kept constant. So if for R we are using a potentiometer variable resistor. So firing angle can be varied using this. So you have to go to place component, place AC voltage source. Next to place components, I mean the basic group, you will find two resistors, and again in the basic group a variable resistor you have to place. Again capacitor you have to place, and if you want to rotate you have to press Ctrl R. And you SCR also you can find out in the place component, place SCR here, and two oscilloscopes. So I will just show how to execute this. So after making connection, so here I use two separate oscilloscope to check input and output. If you want, you can use only one SCR or only one oscilloscope. Two channels are there. No? You can connect to two here only. This is an option. If you want, you can use two separate oscilloscope. So output is actually between this R2 positive here, negative here, and in order to see voltage between anode to cathode, so we have to connect another SCR here, like another oscilloscope. So we'll run this. So for this it should be interactive. So now double click on this. So this is the voltage across, I think red color. This is VAK, oscilloscope 1. You can see XCS1 oscilloscope 1. So this is the voltage across SCR, anode to cathode. And if you want to see the voltage across RL, load resistance, you can see this is the RL. Actually, if you had the RL voltage and voltage across RL and voltage across AK, you are going to get the waveform here like this, full waveform. So now you are going to get RL, this voltage. So remaining voltage is the voltage appearing across the net to cathode voltage. So only this portion and the waveform is missing in the AK, because in this portion the SR is going to turn on. Whenever SR is turned on, it acts like a short circuit, so voltage becomes 0, and the voltage will appear across RL here. So the current is available only for whenever SR is turned on. So that time current passing through RL. So that time you're going to get voltage across RL. So this is the waveform across load resistance, and this is the voltage across VAK. So whenever SCR is turned off, so during the negative off cycle, during the negative off cycle of the input, the SCR is off. So full voltage is appearing across the SCR only, and up to this firing angle, SCR is off only. So that also it's coming under here. Whenever the gate voltage is sufficient to turn on the SCR, immediately SCR is going to turn on, so voltage becomes 0. At the sum, current is flowing through the RL, so you're going to get the voltage across RL. So this is how to verify the voltage. Okay. So now I'm going to vary the pot. I'll just vary the pot. You can see. Let us click continuous. It's normal. So if you want, you can click single, means one cycle will come and it will stop. So now I will vary the pot. Here actually the potentiometer is there. So yeah, I'll run this. Not visible, so I am clicking here. This is oscilloscope 1. Oscilloscope 2 is this. So I want to vary the pot. So now I'm going to vary the pot. You can see the variation in the firing angle. So it is now actually at 10%. It is coming like that. Now I will make some 30%, 40% or 50%. See here the variation. Green color is voltage across RL. This is VAK. Now if you want further increase this, so output is available at this point at 75%. Okay, you see here wherever SCR is turned on, immediately at that portion, this portion is missing in the VAK, so that voltage is coming in the RL. Okay, like that you can vary the pot and you can adjust the firing angle, and according to that you are going to get the output voltage.